In today's episode of The Tenant, I've left Mumbai to come to a location that is 2 hours away from Mumbai. I'm in Alibag, a location that's become a hotbed for second home ownership. Our tenant today is a young man who's made Alibag his first home. Why has he done that? What works and what doesn't? Let's meet him. Hi Gajanan, good to see you.
Great Vishal, welcome to my humble abode.
Humble abode. From the way I walked in, this does not look humble, and even over here it doesn't look humble.
Yes.
So how humble are we talking about this place?
It's a 6 BHK with grand hall, 2 bedrooms, above is 4 bedrooms. It's total a 6 BHK bungalow with swimming pool, garden.
Okay, so it's not at all humble basically.
Okay. For me it's humble only.
Okay. So tell me, Alibag is now popularly called for second homes.
Yes.
गजानन इसको फर्स्ट होम क्यों ट्रीट कर रहा है?
See, for me it's my first home because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday till Friday I'm in Alibag only. So technically this became my first home because I'm staying here only most of my time week में. यहाँ पे ही काम करता हूँ, खाता हूँ, पीता हूँ, सोता हूँ, जो भी है यहाँ पे ही करता हूँ. बॉम्बे में भी मेरा एक घर है जो मेरा सेकेंड होम है, तो सैटरडे संडे में वहाँ जाता हूँ.
So Mumbai is your second home.
Yes.
This is your first home.
Yes. Technically this is. But you can't say this is my actual first home or because आप मेरे को आज यहाँ मिल रहे हो, ठीक है? आप Thursday या Wednesday आओगे, आप मेरे को यहाँ पे नहीं पाओगे. I'll be at my another property.
Okay. So what's this model like? जो आप करते हो यहाँ पे कि you have 3 homes that you use as a tenant in a week in a way, right?
We take property on lease and we rent it out as a home stay. So Saturday Sunday जहाँ भी मेरे पास गेस्ट होते हैं, जहाँ पे गेस्ट आते हैं वहाँ पे मैं नहीं रह सकता. So I have to move to the another property. So each time whenever guests come, I have to get out from that property and get to the new property to run different places. So that's why whenever guests come, I'll be at different property, different location, different people.
Okay. So basically you take homes on rent for a monthly basis and you rent it out for daily basis in a way.
Yes, it's a yearly contract.
Okay, but why Alibag? Alibag में क्या खास चीज़ है?
सर अलीबाग साउथ मुंबई से 2 घंटे की दूरी में है. यहाँ पे बीचेस बहुत अच्छे हैं. यहाँ का फूड इज़ एक्सीलेंट. बीचेस आई वुड से यहाँ की फ़िश जो है मोस्ट अंडररेटेड है. आपको अलीबाग में आना चाहिए तो फ़िश के लिए ज़रूर आना चाहिए. प्लस अलीबाग जो है अपने इंडिया का जो नेवल का बेस था, स्टार्टेड विद अलीबाग ओनली. यहाँ पे इंडियन नेवी के बेसिस जो थे महाराज ने शुरू किए थे, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ने. सो दैट्स व्हाई अलीबाग.
You said beaches.
Yes.
Does Gajanan visit the beaches often?
Yeah. My most of evenings are beaches only. I'll show you. यहाँ से बस 2 मिनट वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे बीच है.
I'm guessing your massive living room where a lot of work happens.
Yeah,
right?
that's most of the time I'm sitting there. Sometimes if I get bored, I sit at the poolside in the evening. If I'm having dinner or lunch, I'm sitting at my gazebo.
Okay, and this is your what? This is one of the 6 bedrooms.
No, this is my first bedroom. Usually I spend this most of my time here only, sitting at the window working from home or working from villa, you can say.
This is the basically view that
Come,
really
I'll
makes you stay in this room.
show you.
Okay.
This is a garden view. Plus, I love the architect also. This, if you close the window, you can see this. It's very beautiful. Plus, you can get the view. Plus, winds are natural lights comes. It's very beautifully.
So, but you said this is the room that you use when just when this property is idle.
Yes.
Correct.
No one is there most of the time. I occupy this because because it's next to the door also. If you enter the property, just right hand side, you enter the property and you can sleep to the bed. This is
the bathroom.
Yeah, this is the bathroom.
Good size.
Nice.
So, okay, I understand this is your room when this property is empty.
Yes.
What do you do when this is also full? अगर सब जगह property full है, what do you do then?
Most of the time, अगर सारी जगह पे property full है, so there is a portable home which I carry every time I go. So you can My four-wheeler.
Okay, that you sleep there.
या आई मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जब एवरी प्रॉपर्टी स्लीप जहाँ पे अगर सब जगह गेस्ट है सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई एम स्लीपिंग इन माई कार. और अगर समझो इफ आई एम ट्रैवलिंग आज अलीबाग में कल करजत या लोनावला अगर नाइट में कुछ ज़्यादा ट्रैवल होता है देन आई स्लीप एट द पेट्रोल पंप. गाड़ी पार्क किया गाड़ी में ही सो लिया. दिस इज माई सेकेंड बेडरूम सो यू कैन सी.
Does it get used at all
या
by you?
या ऑफ कोर्स जब भी जहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ द जो कपल्स है बाकी के रूम ऑक्यूपाइड है उनको भी मेरा रूम अगर पसंद आया तो वो लोग वो ले लेते हैं. तो आई हैव टू शिफ्ट टू हियर और सम अदर रूम ऑल्सो विच एवर इज अवेलेबल आई मूव इन टू दैट रूम. सो मेरा चेक इन का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. जो रूम मिले खुश जाओ.
मतलब any room that is available you take. अगर रूम अवेलेबल नहीं है फिर पेट्रोल पंप is
बेस्ट. आई टेल यू विशाल यू शुड ट्राई सम टाइम. कार में ना बहुत अच्छा नींद आता है. नो डिस्टर्बेंस. एसी लगाओ अपना सीट फ्रंट वाला सीट नीचे करो सो जाओ. मेरे को तो सुबह सुबह तक कभी कभी आँख भी नहीं खुलती unless and until that guy came सर चलो पेट्रोल पंप चालू करना है.
Tell me this entire shift from Mumbai on weekends while Alibag in the weekdays. Is it easy to do given that you're married?
No, it's not easy. I miss my family. So most of the time it's very difficult to stay away from the family. I'll tell you especially, I have total 9 dogs. 2 huskies, 1 golden retriever and 4 Goldbarians.
Okay.
So I miss them a lot. Also my wife also. If I don't mention her, she'll not मेरे को घर आने नहीं देगी.
Does your wife come often to Alibag?
Yeah, she came for the weekend. We also celebrate my birthdays, anniversaries, my mummy's birthday here only.
Okay.
And most of the time. But before coming to Alibag, we used to, what you call, celebrate more often into Karjat. But later I came to the Alibag. So there is a specific reason for that. See, Alibag have more visitors, not only from Mumbai, Pune also. पुणे में से आते हैं प्लस ऑल ओवर इंडिया से भी लोग अलीबाग घूमने को आते हैं. इट्स अ महाराष्ट्र's Goa. Yes, it's a Maharashtra's Goa. If you Google, I recently got that term. It's Maharashtra's Goa. So people came from all over India to Alibag to enjoy the beaches and the seafood, as I mentioned. So this is my third room. It's especially this is the wooden. This is not the concrete. This is the cement sheet with the wooden effect and everything. And here also you get good ample of lighting. See, this is the balcony room with the pool view.
How easy is it to make money in a business like yours where you take something on rent and then you, in a way, rent it out on a daily basis?
Airbnb or homestay.
Yeah.
See, it's not easy. I think every business has its ups and downs. For my business, it's operational heavy business. Like for here, you need staff, good maintenance of the property, creating good ambience and experience also. So for it's not easy. If you are doing right, you can make the money. If you're not doing right, you'll lose lots of money.
What's the 2 or 3 things about Alibag that people don't know, which they should be very careful of?
See, I'll tell. If you're buying a land in Alibag, you should be careful. In terms of, see, careful as in if you're choosing the land, you should check the connectivity of the land. Or one more thing I would say, if you're purchasing land here, you should purchase the road also.
What does that mean? Purchase a road?
Purchase a road, matlab, let's suppose if your land is inside the particular area and the section to that land, वो आपको खरीद लेना चाहिए या फिर ऑन पेपर्स आपके पास परमिशन होना चाहिए कि वो रोड आप यूज कर सकते हो. नॉट ओनली
क्यों permission? Why will I not have permission to use the road?
Because some part or some that particular land is supposed to, that road is owned by third party. So come after that, if you purchase the land, तो बाद में फिर आपको बोल सकता है कि आप वो रोड यूज नहीं कर सकते हो क्योंकि वो रोड किसी और के लैंड पे बना हुआ हो सकता है.
वो प्राइवेट रोड है बेसिकली.
प्राइवेट रोड है. आपके लिए एक फुटपाथ का रोड गवर्नमेंट आपको अलाउ करती है जो आप चल के जा सकते हो. This is the bathroom. You can see it's very beautiful also and big.
Tell me what is the area of this entire place? You said 6 BHK. What does this mean in terms of square feet?
See, the whole property is 20,000 square feet. It's 20 guntha, means half a acre.
Okay.
Which is include your swimming pool, garden, and the bungalow structure as well.
Okay.
So as you can see,
I can see a structure. Okay, so this is, you have a duplex in this
yes,
room as such. Huh?
yes. This is my most premium or lovely room. People used to like this. This is my duplex room. Ground floor you have bed. Plus for kids there is another semi floor you can see. So come, I'll show you.
So all these rooms have come designed
Yes.
as they are, or you have made some changes to it?
No, the rooms were there, structure were there. So we will just add the linen. We beautify this place. Whatever you see right now. So we got the raw structure, and we beautify all the structure here, from the linen, the small things, the small potholes, and everything. What you would see right now, what visually appealing to you, is done by us.
So structure given to you,
Yes.
the inner interiors in a way done by you.
Yes.
You can see this open space over here. Huh?
That's the beautiful place. Plus, this is very popular place. This is Shah Rukh Khan's bungalow.
Oh, this is Shah Rukh Khan's bungalow?
Yeah. Next to this, it's complete properties done by Shah Rukh Khan. For their privacy, they have added the curtains also. Here, you find so many celebrities, industries. Ambani is also in Alibag.
I keep seeing about celebrities, Virat Kohli,
Yes.
Ranveer Singh.
Yes.
They're all getting into it. So this will make your, in a way, fourth bedroom, right?
Yeah. Fourth and a half actually.
4.5. This is the fourth.
This is complete. We take it as a 2 bedrooms.
Okay.
Ground floor and first floor.
So this makes it, your fifth bedroom was here.
Yes. And that's the 6th bedroom with attached big balcony and the open terrace.
What's the scene in terms of water, power, and all over here? Is that a big issue in a place like Alibag?
Yeah. No, it's not a big issue. For electricity is a big issue in the rainy season.
Okay.
Like last time when we had a Fayan tornado, that time for 2 months we don't have electricity.
So how do you manage them?
We have a generator power backup, but most of that dangerous situation like that we keep as it is. So we don't take guests or anything. We manage on daily basis. जैसा चल रहा है वैसे अपन manage कर लेते हैं.
Okay. This is your
6th bedroom.
okay.
So you can see. Plus इसका एक special part है. I'll show you. Come. This is a semi glass room.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. No? So let me show you the gallery. So ये है अपना open terrace, which is attached to the bedroom. So this is a complete open space. You can see.
People should watch out for electricity problems here in their area. Is there an issue of water supply?
Yes. No, there is not that much issue. If you are taking a property into एकदम extreme remote area, जहाँ पे पानी का problem होता है, तो वहाँ पे ground water जो होता है, उसके लिए आप check कर सकते हो. So before buying the land or any property, you should check for the water levels also. Or in Marathi there is called panadi. So they came with the coconut, or they check, or you can do some scientific tests also, how much water in your ground also.
Tell me, how important is it over here to ensure that you're coming and you feel that the vibrancy of Mumbai is not really over here?
See, Mumbai का vibe Mumbai में ही है. Mumbai का जो busy life होता है, because I stayed in Pune also and other part of the India for my travel. But जो मुंबई का मज़ा आता है ना, I'll tell you कहाँ और नहीं आता. बट मुंबई से आप जब परेशान हो जाते हो, हेक्टिक लाइफ से थोड़ा सा आराम करना चाहते हो, देन कम टू अलीबाग, एंजॉय द नेचर, बिकॉज ये जो नेचर होता है वो यू कैन फाइंड इन मुंबई. मुंबई में अगर आप समझो कॉर्पोरेट जॉब और हेक्टिक से आप थक गए हो, मुंबई में आप 9 to 5 करके आपको विटामिन जी नहीं मिल रहा, विटामिन गजानन नहीं, विटामिन जी एज इन विटामिन ग्रीन, जो नेचर से मिलता है. तो नेचर के लिए आपको ये अलीबाग 100% आना चाहिए. प्लस यहाँ पे नेचर के साथ ना, आई टेल यू, यहाँ पे सुपारी और कोकोनट के ट्रीज होते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी यूनिक. यहाँ पे आप जब देखेंगे, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड कोकोनट वाड़ी इन मराठी, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड वाड़ी. सो दीज आर वेरी 20-25 years ओल्ड वाड़ी. सो यू कैन फील द वाइब. जो ग्रीन देख के भी ना अपने को साइकोलॉजिकल अपना स्ट्रेस लेवल जो होता है वो रिड्यूस होता है.
हाउ ईजी इज द commute within Alibag? Matlab, is it like Goa where taxi drivers take almost your kidney for taking you from point A to point B? Is it rational, reasonable here?
No. It's from compared to Goa, here finding any vehicle, it's very easy. I would say not Goa, in any part of Maharashtra. I've been to Delhi also. In Maharashtra, people are very loving And not other state people are not loving, they are also loving in their way. But if you're talking about taxis, here transportation easy. If I call someone to pick up my guest, they easily come and they drop you at the Mandwa also, in Mumbai also. You get taxis also, and they don't charge you for the kidney.
And what does Gajanan do when it comes to food?
I'll show you.
I can see some trees and I can see some chiku trees over there.
Yeah. अरे we have a seasonal foods also. Sometimes बस घास छोड़ के मैं यहाँ पे अच्छे फल भी खा लेता हूँ. So we have a chiku plant also, and I'll show you pineapple also. Those pineapples are small. So अभी लगाया है, वहाँ पे pineapple आ गया तो फिर pineapple भी खा लेते हैं. पर प्लस अगर दिल किया तो मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के खाना खा लेता हूँ. चीकू के यहाँ पे बैठ के भी खाना खा लेता हूँ. प्लस मेरा एक फेवरेट स्पॉट है जहाँ पे मेरे को खाना खाना पसंद है व्हेन आई एम अलोन. सो आई विल शो यू. कम दैट द गज़ीबो as we are. Yeah, this is the gazebo where you usually eat, and this is my pineapples.
And this is your place for food, huh?
Yeah. This is also food.
You treat yourself royally when you are alone over here. How is this place in terms of basic conveniences? Kuch chahiye. I was driving over here, and at Mumbai is one end where you have everything always around you.
Okay.
Then as you come closer, when you pass Panvel and then you come towards Alibag, I see that the market itself is becoming lesser and thinner.
Yes.
For you, how do you manage? Is it easy? Is it tough? What is it like?
No, it's a little bit tough because you coming to the villages, and in the villages, so there are less number of people, less number of needs. So you have only one general store, one convenience store, and one thing. So for any big supplies or thing, you have to go to the Alibag, which is the main city. So which is almost 15 minutes from here. Drawback of these places is because these are remote places. You not find any convenience thing down at your doorstep. So that's a little bit of challenges, but we manage. We have local coordinators also. If I'm not there, we have a Activa also, which comes handy. Plus, if somebody says Activa is not there, so we have a local auto walas also tie up with us. So we call them, they bring us supplies also. So I made a few local connections here, so they help us.
So tell me, for you do a weekly travel from Mumbai to Alibag.
Yes.
What's the easiest mode of transport that you use?
So for coming Alibag, there are two ways to come. Like one is by road and one is by ferry. So आपके convenience के हिसाब से आप choose कर सकते हो. अगर आप बाय रोड आ रहे हो तो सीधा अटल सेतु ले लो. अटल सेतु से 2 घंटे में आप अलीबाग पहुंच जाओगे. अभी अटल सेतु की वजह से साउथ बॉम्बे टू अलीबाग इज़ वेरी कन्वीनियंट. मतलब जो पहले 3 से 4 घंटा बाय रोड लगता था, but after the Atal Setu and our current government doing its very good job, the roads are excellent, like flawless. और second option is ferry. अगर आपको drive नहीं करना, गेटवे आओ, गेटवे से ferry ले लो. That hardly cost us 200 rupees.
And there's a Roro also, right?
हाँ, there is a Roro also, जहाँ पे आप अपना पूरा गाड़ी Roro में डाल दो, गाड़ी के साथ अलीबाग आओ, फिर यहाँ पे drive कर लो.
So what's the mode of transport you use?
I use all.
Depending on the day,
mood and my health or body. Because yesterday also मैं घर गया था, तो मैं क्या गाड़ी मांडवा पे लेके गया, पार्क किया और फिर वहाँ से फेरी पकड़ के घर पे गया. बिकॉज मेरे को एक दिन में वापस आना था, फिर 2 घंटे के लिए वापस ड्राइव करो, वापस से क्या हो. सो आई वाज लाइक कि पार्क कर लेता हूँ, फिर फेरी से गया, फिर ट्रेन से गया, फिर वापस आते समय ट्रेन, टैक्सी, फेरी, कार, सारे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एक बार यूज़ कर लिए.
Okay. And this is your pool?
Yes.
So what, do you use the pool often when you are alone?
I'll tell you विशाल, नहीं. तो अभी 2 साल हो गए, टाइम ही नहीं मिलता. एक भी प्रॉपर्टी के पूल में खुद जाके डुबकी नहीं मारा. कसम से 2 साल हो गया मेरे को एक भी प्रॉपर्टी के. अभी आपने बोला ना, दैट रियलिटी हिट्स मी सो हार्ड कि मैंने अब तक प्रॉपर्टी का पूल ही यूज़ नहीं किया है.
For all of this, like this place you said, 20,000 square feet, right?
Yes.
How much rent are you paying? क्या है इसका रेंट, क्या है इसका डिपॉजिट सिस्टम, क्या है अलीबाग और मुंबई में, क्या डिफरेंसेस हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेंटल्स, कॉस्ट्स एंड प्रोसेसेस?
सीधा बुलजाए. रेंट का I'll tell you, for this property I am paying 1.20 lakhs, but इसका थोड़ा सा रेंटल और डिपॉजिट का स्ट्रक्चर इज डिफरेंट बिकॉज व्हेन वी गॉट दिस प्रॉपर्टी इट वाज सेमी फर्निश्ड. सो उसके बाद वी हैव डिड पूल, इंटीरियर्स और इसका सब मिला के वी हैव पोर्ड एज अ डिपॉजिट. हम लोग ने वो डाला था जो अगर हम मंथ वाइज भी अपन कैलकुलेट करें तो 1.20 का रेंट है, प्लस बाकी का एमिनिटीज़ और उसका मिला के एक और 1.20 जोड़ लो, 2.40 के आसपास रेंट पड़ता है, बट बाकी का स्टाफ सैलरी एंड एवरीथिंग दैट गोज अराउंड 3.50.
But rent, as such, effective rent is 2.4 lakh rupees per month, right?
40.
2.40.
2.40 एवरेज.
और आपका अगला स्टेप क्या होगा? क्या, how long will you keep doing this drill, Monday to Friday, Alibag, Saturday, Sunday, Mumbai? How long will your wife and your dogs allow that?
Nah. My step is like कि I'm doing this, I'm enjoying this, and they are also have their own life. They are doing good pretty much. My wife also run her own company, so they are doing good. For my dogs also, I'm planning to bring them here. So next week maybe they will be with me. So on and off उनके साथ भी देखता हूँ कैसा होगा. For business perspective, currently we are doing Alibag, so we are multiplying the properties here. Once Alibag is done, we are looking for Goa and Mahabaleshwar. So next time maybe we will be in Mahabaleshwar.
And then probably there also you'll probably have multiple properties, but you might be close to a petrol pump for sleeping something.
मेरे को सबसे अच्छी नींद और सबसे बेस्ट ना 2-3 पेट्रोल पंप है जहाँ पे नींद बहुत अच्छी आती है. जब भी ज़्यादा कुछ स्ट्रेस होता है, बुकिंग लो होती है तो कुछ, वो सीधा पेट्रोल पंप पे जाके गाड़ी लगा के सो जाता हूँ. मतलब मज़ा आता है. वो एक पार्ट है मेरी लाइफ का जो अच्छा लगता है कि यू गॉट सम आइसोलेशन जहाँ पे मेंटल पीस मिलता है. लोग मेडिटेशन करते हैं, मैं घूमता हूँ. आई ड्राइव एंड आई ट्रैवल.
Okay, on that note, Gajanand, thank you for coming on the tenant from, well, staying in Mumbai to renting a 6 BHK in Alibag, but also sleeping on petrol pumps. You seem to have an exciting journey. Good luck going forward.
Pleasure.
Time for the report card. This is a lavish 6 BHK bungalow. Location, this is Alibag, a coastal region 2 hours away from Mumbai. Has lots of beaches as well as great food opportunities. Become a tourist hub as such. Has some degree of weaknesses in terms of power as well as water. Connectivity got enhanced in the last few years, courtesy the Atal Setu, but has other options as well for commute, be it the Roro as well as the ferry. All in all, if you're a person that works in Alibag or has a work from home option, then this is sort of location that can be considered. Are you looking for the perfect home? Stop looking around, scan the QR code and explore from thousands of rental properties, read resident reviews and make an informed decision with 99acres.com.